Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Steam application for your Windows 10 or 11. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and in my case I'm using Google Chrome. Then in the search bar you are going to type Steam download, and then you will find yourself here and you will find the first option, the official website, and make sure to use the official website. And here in the sections you can find the download. You just click here, and then as you can see you will find here install Steam. You just click here and the installation will start, and it is very easy and very quick to be downloaded. Then you just click here on this file and you continue by clicking next, and it will be installed. There is nothing to change in the default settings. For me it is already installed, that's why I cannot do this step. But as I told you, it is very easy. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.